What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to vlog 3. Wow, are you guys sick of me yet? I don't know. Some of you guys are saying you like me posting up a lot more regularly, and you know, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of enjoy it too. I kind of miss getting back to the grind. It sucks that I'm not doing installs and reviews and stuff as much, but that's all coming. It's all coming. You know, our country, our world right now is under a fucking attack, so you know, bear with me on that. But at least there's something. If you're sitting in bed and you like the sound of my weird ass voice, this is something for you. And you know what, God bless you if that's what you're into, and you're into that kind of weird shit. I love you, and sit back, relax, you know. So let's talk. This is vlog 3. What happened today? Not much happened today. As some of you, maybe most of you know, I'm from Jersey. If it's not already extremely audibly apparent, then, you know, I'm from Jersey, North Jersey. And today, I believe it was today, they just announced that there's a curfew. So any businesses and whatnot can't be open after like 8 o'clock. Some shit. They're just suffocating small businesses at this point. It's unbelievable. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Again, I'm a small business, so you know, I'm going day by day, trying to figure out how to navigate through this giant cesspool of shit that we call coronavirus. But there's not a whole lot other than that going on. I do want to talk about something though, because obviously we need to talk about something. I have heard from a follower that basically within the next 48 to 72 hours, you know, that Donald Trump is gonna announce a nationwide quarantine. Whatever that means, I'm totally in the dark about. I don't know if that means he's just gonna stop all travel. I don't know if that means there's gonna be this or that with regards to curfews, as if that wasn't enough with 8 o'clock. I don't know, you know, I think they already banned gatherings of 50 people or more. Obviously, we're all dealing heavily with the closure of movie theaters and sporting events and all this other stuff, which, you know, I'm totally for. I'm extremely in support of closing for the schools. Spring break's coming up. If we close for a couple weeks, hit spring break. Look at this imbecile walking right at the train. You stupid asshole. Couldn't wait 2 seconds. If we close the schools until spring break, you know, we're going past the 14-day incubation period. So basically, we're giving ourselves a chance to deep clean the schools, one, which is good. And then we basically give ourselves a chance to know, are there any new infected? We're kind of going to get a lay of the land as far as who's got what, when, where, and how. So it's gonna be more of a, we just have to suck it up, buttercup, for the next couple weeks to a month, I feel. The country's gonna take a hit. A lot of people are gonna take hits. As a country, as a human being, we have to just try to stick together through this. You know, this is the time in the world where we need to put all this bullshit that divides us aside. We shouldn't focus on any of that stuff. And you know, I'm not the type that's gonna sit here and preach. You know, I've had my moments in the past where I've been a complete asshole, but all that stuff aside, we all need to stick together. We need to be each other's support system. We need to help each other, because we're all humans. We're all one person. And this is some crazy shit. I don't know what to think about this, guys. I don't know if this is gonna be one of those things where it turns out to be a giant fraud. I don't know if this is actually gonna be a completely real thing. Is there some kind of cover-up? I'm hearing about Iran and us having a bombing sesh together. So, I mean, there's things going on that I don't know if the media is just not reporting on because this is a bigger story, or if it's purposely not being reported on. There's so many tinfoil hat stories coming out. Oh, this has happened. It's a conspiracy theorist. You know, I can't listen to anything but facts, and there's just not enough facts about anything. So whatever you think is happening is happening. I don't know. Just thought I'd pass on the information, because my one friend, he's a good buddy, lives in Chicago. He told me basically that I should make sure I have enough supplies for 2 weeks to make sure we're taking care of the kiddos, my babies. And I appreciate him. You know who you are. I'm not going to say anything, but I appreciate him because, you know, my number one thing in life are my kiddos. So, you know, being able to supply and support my life is all I can worry about right now. Money's secondary, and, you know, a lot of us are going to take a hit. You know, we all don't have those cozy jobs like my wife. She's a teacher. She gets to stay home, basically. Thank God she gets to stay home. But for the next couple weeks, she's home. She's making money while she's home, but more importantly, she's home with my kids. So I know that they're good. Now it's up to me as a man and the father and the husband to make sure I don't get sick. And, you know, I don't know if there's any way to avoid that, but, you know, I do my best. I got my mask, I got my gloves. I'm doing everything I can to try not to be an imbecile. But, you know, again, it can happen. Thank God I've been feeling good. Your boy is doing okay. I don't think I got the piss beer disease, but I think we're gonna be all right. I'm praying. I pray for all of you guys. Hopefully this nationwide quarantine, if it happens, it's not some crazy thing. Hopefully everybody survives this well, and we get through this, and you guys don't have anybody affected by it, family, friends, any of that stuff. So I wish you all the best. I really do care about you guys. And you know, like I said, we're all human beings. We gotta get through this shit together. So that's it, guys. That's a small update. Everything was whatever. As we talked about in the last video, I dropped off the Trackhawk. It's gonna be at Rippers for probably 3 weeks. You know, with all this shit going on, who knows, 3-4 weeks, who knows. I'm not in any rush. It is what it is. Right now, our number one priority as a world is to just get through this crap. And that's it, guys. So please, everybody, stay safe. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I love you. I'll see you guys soon. I don't know when the vlogs are gonna come up. The vlogs, I don't know. I mean, there's only so much you guys are gonna take of me just driving and recording. I'm in the hoe now, so I don't even have my Hawk. There's nothing fun to film. I might have a couple videos I can edit and post up. I don't know, we'll see what I can do. If anything fun happens, I'll record it, but this is no way gonna be a daily vlog thing, so don't expect that. I'm sorry if I disappointed you, but I will start posting a hell of a lot more frequently than I was. So thank you so much for all the support, for all the love, for the comments, for the likes, for the new subscribers, for sharing the channel, helping me grow. I really do love doing this. I want to get back into it. I feel like I slacked so hard, like I was dragging my ass like a dog with a poo-poo ball on the end of it, and, you know, I don't want to do that. I want to do everything I can to make sure, you know, I give the proper time. I hope this shit's not going to start. Look at these motherfuckers. They're filling up gas cans and stuff. This is already beginning. So thank God I got a full tank ski on the hoe. This is gonna start beginning now, right? People are still going to car washes though? No, nobody's at that car wash. I don't know what's gonna happen. But everybody pray. Hopefully this passes within the next couple weeks to a month, and it starts having some kind of like, let's go back down the right way. I love you all. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe. God bless.